Caesar salad, a super quick and easy recipe, and this one is 100% plant-based. For the dressing, we're using Ruby's in the Rubble plant-based mayonnaise. Good few spoonfuls of that into a bowl. I'm going to just thin it down with some tap water and just stir that until it's just the consistency you'd like for a salad dressing. And now I'm going to season that up with this unbelievably brilliant Veggie Rub 02, which has nutritional yeast and Anglesey sea salt and a mixture of spices, including a little bit of cumin and garlic. And I'm gonna add a couple of teaspoons to that and just stir it really well. And that is basically all you need for the dressing, except a little bit of tanginess, which we're gonna get from a few drops of lemon juice just to brighten it up. So give that a stir. All I need now to complete the salad is, of course, the salad leaves. I have some freshly washed, crisp romaine heart lettuce leaves here, and I'm going to pour the dressing over and give it a little toss. And to finish off this super simple, quick Caesar salad, I have got some croutons that I made with wholemeal bread and stirred in some zero olive oil, some mixed herbs, a little salt, and black pepper. And so we're just going to sprinkle a few of those on and finish with some vegan cheese, finely grated. So there you have it. Quick and easy plant-based Caesar salad.